add money to PayPal with a gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account with a gift card. So first of all you have to do is just select the kind of gift card that you want to use in order to add the money in your PayPal account. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you with the help of the Amazon Pay e-gift card. So for example, you have this particular gift card with a certain amount in your gift card as well. So in order to use this particular gift card to add money into your PayPal account, you need to first go ahead and purchase this particular gift card. And if you already have the gift card details with you, just go ahead and simply copy the details of your gift card, like the gift card number, the code of the gift card that you have received, and other details which are required in order to enter into your PayPal account. And once you're done copying all these details from your gift card, just simply open your PayPal account. Just open your PayPal account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your account, just simply click on the three-dot menu icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and from here you will be able to see the option called Pay and Get Paid, the third one. Just simply click on it, and after that under the payment method section, just simply select banks and card. Just simply tap on it, and over here you will be able to see the credit card and debit card option. Just simply tap on it. And over here under the credit and debit card option, just simply enter the gift card code number that you have just copied. For example, you are adding the money through the Amazon gift card that I just showed you earlier. Just simply enter the Amazon gift card code right here, and after that just select the type of card that you are using. For example, you are using a gift card. Just simply select that, and after that just also enter the expiration date and security code along with the gift card and the type of the gift card, and also enter your billing address for the gift card that you are using in order to add the money into your PayPal account. And once you are done entering all these details, just simply click on link card, and once your card has been linked to your PayPal account, you will be able to add the money that you have in your gift card to your PayPal account quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to add money to your PayPal account with a gift card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.